Hey everybody, Eric Tate from Penguin Magic here, and it's once again time for the Penguin Magic Awards. Every year, we take some time to celebrate all of the incredible creators who shape the landscape of magic every year. As a producer here at Penguin Magic, I get to see all of the incredible thinking and work that goes into these amazing tricks, and this year is no exception. Before we get to the awards, let's talk about how we got here. Every year, the Penguin Magic team digs into sales data, reviews, online discussions, popularity, and a host of other information about all the tricks that pass through our doors. We sorted all that information and came up with the nominees. Then we put all those nominees out there for you, the Penguin Magic community, to vote on, and that's how we determined the winners. Let's start with close-up magic. It's the heart and soul of the passionate amateur. It's where so many of us start our journey in the magical arts, and it's still one of the most popular ways to perform magic. The nominees for Close-Up Trick of the Year are Tongue Tied by Mario Lopez, Falcon Ring by Josh Birch, Fast and Loose by Paul Vigil, Impossiballoon by Robert Ray and Robert Gray, and Invisible Harmonica by Fabian Roubaud. And the winner is Falcon Ring by Josh Birch.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you first off to the magicians who have contributed to this project. Alan Rorson is right there at the top of the list. You are a creative genius. Charlie Justice, a living legend. Thank you to the magicians who have given me feedback and allowed me to share some of your nuggets of wisdom and ideas. Thank you to Ben Earl, Jay Sankey. Thank you to Danny Garcia as well. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you to the Penguin team, but also thank you to everybody who is watching this and anybody who has picked up the Falcon Ring. I hope you get out there. I hope you use it. I hope you perform it. I'm grateful for the support that you've shown, and I'll see you next time.
Congratulations, Josh. Falcon Ring is an incredible tool that magicians around the world have fallen in love with. This is a well-earned win. Moving on to Card Magic Trick of the Year. Now, I have a soft spot in my heart for cards. They're portable, relatable, and a nearly perfect metaphor for almost anything you want to convey to an audience in magic. This year, we had some incredible card tricks. The nominees are Super Extra by Rizky Nanda, In Flight by David Regal, 30 Seconds to Stun by Richard Sanders, Escape Card by Rizky Nanda, Savant Deck by Craig Petty and Lloyd Barnes. And the winner is Savant Deck by Craig Petty and Lloyd Barnes.
Yo, Penguin Magic, and all your Penguin customers, all the Penguin supporters, thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart and from Craig Petty's heart for getting my name out your mouth. All right. I didn't know he was your wife, but he was my wife. I won't say that. Thank you from the bottom of my heart and my partner in crime's heart for gifting us this incredible, prestigious award of the best card trick of the year. It means so much, and it literally wouldn't have been possible to win this without you. So this is the trophy. AI out this part and put the trophy in it, because the thing is, you guys know, at Penguin, the trophy is stuck in Memphis. So I'm going to use this as a placeholder. So thank you all so much for awarding us this amazing Penguin Magic trophy. And I just want to give it a nice little kiss to say you guys are the best. I know you can edit out that, so thanks Penguin Magic. Thanks everyone for voting for me and to win Best Card Trick of the Year.
Hey guys, my name's Craig Petty, and on behalf of Lloyd Barnes, I want to say thank you to all of the Penguin customers for voting for myself and Lloyd's Savant Deck to be voted as the Penguin Magic Card Trick of the Year 2026. I'm telling you, there's a lot of really good card tricks that have come out in the last 12 months, and to even be nominated was an honor. But the fact that you guys have voted and you've decided that myself and Lloyd should win this award, that's amazing. Now, Lloyd would like to be here. He really would. He wanted to be here to do this video accepting this award, but he can't be asked. Mainly because he lives in Wales, and you know, that's bad enough anyway, to be perfectly honest. If you've been to Wales, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But he lives in Wales, and he doesn't like to leave his front door. Like, literally, if he goes more than 7 or 8 steps past his front door, you know, he just has to run back in and make an elephant or something. So, look, I on behalf of Lloyd, he would be here. who am I lying? He won't be there. There's no way Lloyd would be on this video, but you've got me. And out the two of us, I don't think I'm the most talented, probably not the most creative either. But at least I'm the one that shows up and accepts the awards. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm accepting the award on behalf of Lloyd Barnes. Thank you to all the Thank you to all the Penguin customers for voting for me and Lloyd for the 2026 card trick of the year. The best is yet to come. Myself and Lloyd have got a lot more coming this year. So watch this space.
Congratulations to Lloyd and Craig for coming up with such a unique and versatile deck of cards. This was a pretty cool bit of collaboration, and I'm thrilled the community loved it as much as you two did. Money magic is something that hits hard and is universal to audiences around the world. Whether it's coins, bills, or some combination thereof, audiences always sit up and pay attention when money is involved. The nominees for Money Trick of the Year are Paquito by Alex Latore, Game Changer by Craig Petty, Nailed by Rich Murata, Holistic by Michael John, and Dream Dollar Pro by Kyle Purnell. The winner is Dream Dollar Pro by Kyle Purnell.
Look at this thing. Oh, this is so cool. Thank you guys so much for voting for Dream Dollar Pro for Money Trick of the Year 2026. So excited. Dream Dollar Pro is a really special piece for me. So the fact that it means a lot to you, enough to vote for it, that means the world to me. Congratulations to all the other nominees in the category, and congratulations to all the winners in all the other categories. This is exciting. There's a lot more to come. Thanks so much.
Congratulations to Kyle for this win. Dream Dollar Pro looks like trick photography, and it's another well-deserved win and another great trophy for Kyle. Mentalism is one of the closest things we have to real magic in this day and age. This year we had some truly wild mentalism tricks that span the entire range of what's possible when it comes to reading minds, predicting the future, and so much more. The nominees for Mentalism Trick of the Year are Game Night by Craig Petty, Spirit Coffin by Nathan Cranzo, Trinity Book Test by Alex Latore, Charms Deck by Nicholas Mavrisis and David Jonathan, and Mental Block Dice by Dan Harlan. The winner of Mentalism Trick of the Year is Charms Deck by Nicholas Mavrisis and David Jonathan.
Wow. What an honor it was to even just be nominated alongside all these people that I personally look up to. So to actually win this award is truly quite surreal. Charms Deck was a true labor of love. It took years to put together and is a very personal project to me because all the text, all the designs, every aspect that you see within that deck was personally put together and designed by myself. So it was so much research, learning about all these fascinating cultures and beliefs, and writing that all out was almost like writing a book in itself. So to see it now as the Mentalism Trick of the Year is something that we will both deeply cherish. So thank you to the Penguin team for your support and belief in this idea. I'd also, of course, like to thank Nicholas Mavrisis. Without him, half the project doesn't exist. So, Nicholas, it's an honor to continue to work with you. And most importantly, thank you. Without your votes, without your support, without you, we're nothing. Now, with that said, Nicholas and I have some incredible stuff planned for the year ahead. So, who knows? Maybe with a little bit of luck, we'll be seeing you right back here 1 year from now.
I'm Nicholas Mavrisis, and I want to thank you so much. This means a lot for both of us. First of all, this has been a really special and rewarding year for me personally, and receiving this award is something I'm really grateful for. What makes it even more special is that I get to share it with my brother, David Jonathan. David and I have been working together for about, let's say, 5-6 years, creating effects together, ideas, exploring new concepts, and pushing each other creatively. But somewhere along the way, something even better happened. We became really good friends. Now, I'm not going to be talking about the effect itself, because what I'm about to say I think is more important. For me, this is what real magic actually is. The friendships, the creativity, the passion that brings this whole community together. I want to thank Penguin Magic. I want to thank everyone who supported the project, everyone who performed it, voted for it, shared it, and your support really means the world to us. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you down the road.
Congratulations to Nicholas and David. The Charms deck is a real innovative way to take a tarot-style effect and make it accessible to a wide audience. No wonder it was so popular. We now come to the technology trick of the year. As tech has become smaller, more accessible, and easier to create, magicians have started creating truly incredible magic that not only feels organic, but can do impossible things that only a few years ago would have been a pipe dream. This year's nominees are Instrumental by David Jonathan and Nicholas Mavrisis, Materializer Wallet by William O'Connell, SFX by Penguin Magic, Firefly by Titanus, and Atomic Deck by Craig Petty. And the winner is Materializer Wallet by William O'Connell.
Wow, this is so cool. Thank you so much to everyone that bought a Materializer wallet, that left a comment or review or just told a friend about it, and of course everyone that voted for me. I really didn't know what I was working on this, what the reaction was going to be, and it's just been so much fun seeing everyone's social media videos and the ideas that they've come up with for how to use it. So just thank you all so much for your support.
Congrats to William. This wallet is not just an innovative device, it really pushes forward what's possible with technological magic. I can't wait to see what you come up with next. Now on to one of my favorite categories, the Book of the Year. Books are how we have handed the secret knowledge of our art form from one generation to the next for centuries. And some of the best kept secrets are hidden in magic books. And this year, some truly incredible books came out. The nominees for Book of the Year are Juan Tamariz's Flamenco by Stephen Minch, In the Spotlight by Christopher Carter, Absolute Madness by Craig Petty, 52 Farewells by Jeff Lotta, and Marlowe's Magazines, compiled and updated by Andy Gladwin. The winner of Book of the Year is In the Spotlight by Christopher Carter.
Hey everybody, Chris Carter here, and I went to my mailbox today and I found this little guy. This means that enough of the readers of my book, In the Spotlight, decided to vote for it for the Book of the Year in the Penguin Magic Awards, and I could not be more thrilled. So if you bought my book and you enjoyed it and you voted for me, thank you very much. It's really an honor and a privilege to have a chance to write a book that so many people enjoy.
Congratulations, Chris. This book is truly a monumental achievement, and I hope this isn't the last book we see from you. Moving into some of the most anticipated awards, the Penguin Lectures are not just an incredible repository of magical knowledge, they are a cultural touchstone in our industry. This year, we had some truly incredible lectures, all of them worthy of award. But of course, only one can win as determined by you, the Penguin Magic fans. The nominees for Lecture of the Year are Gabriel Werlin, David Fragioni, Mario Lopez, Nicola Arcane, and Javi Benitez. And the winner of Lecture of the Year is Gabriel Werlin.
Hi, it's Gabriel Valen. Do you know what I've just received? The Penguin Magic Awards for my Penguin Live lecture last year. What can I say? Wow, I'm just amazed. And when I see all the incredible names who lectured last year, it's even more special. So, well, thank you so much for your votes. It means a lot to me, and this will have a very special place on my desk. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Gabriel. What a remarkable lecture, and just full of truly groundbreaking work. We now come to the Creator of the Year. To qualify for this category, the nominees had to have multiple releases this year, but it's not about just putting a high volume of material out there. It's about adding to the conversation of magic and putting out material that resonates with magicians around the world. The nominees for Creator of the Year are Craig Petty, Rizky Nanda, David Jonathan, Nicholas Mavrisis, and Alex Latorre. And the winner is, for the fourth year in a row, Craig Petty.
Do you know what this golden penguin means? This golden penguin means that I am the Penguin Magic Creator of the Year 2026. Now, that's not decided by Penguin Magic. That's not like the guys at Penguin Magic sitting around deciding who's won. No. That's you. That's the customers of Penguin Magic. That's the people that buy your magic from Penguin Magic. It's you that's decided that I'm the Penguin Magic Creator of the Year 2026. And to be clear, this is the fourth year running that I've won this award. And I want to say Two things. One, I want to say thank you. Thank you to every single person in the community that voted for me. Thank you for every single person in the community that didn't vote for me. There's a couple of you out there. But here's the thing. I really appreciate it. Your support means the world to me. And when I say your support means the world to me, I mean it, because you know what? If it was down to Eric Tate, I would not be winning this award. Let me tell you, I've had to fight the man to win this thing. And let me explain why. When he found out I was nominated for Penguin Magic Creator of the Year for a 4th year in a row, he openly on social media said there's no way Craig Petty should win that. He said no. He actively campaigned me against me winning this. Eric Tate is an evil man with his evil beard trying to push down me. I can't believe. Do you know what he said? 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 He said that there's absolutely no way in God's green earth that he's going to let me win for a 5th year. Well, Eric, let me tell you something right now. There is absolutely no way that I'm not going to win this for the 5th year. I'm going to win this next year. I'm going to win this the next year. I'm going to win this the next year. I'm going to win this the next year. And there's nothing that you, Mr. Tate, and all of your minions at Penguin Magic can do about it, because this isn't me winning the award. It's the community winning the award. I accept this on behalf of the people. I am the voice of the voiceless, and when it's all said and done, when all the dust has settled, when all the smoke has cleared, Eric, I will be holding this golden penguin high in the air year after year after year, and there is not a goddamn thing that you can do about it. So let me ask you a question, Eric Tate and Penguin Magic. What you gonna do when Craig Petty and the Kraigomaniacs and the Golden Penguin run wild on you? Ha!
Congratulations to Craig on another incredible year of releases. Now we come to the big one. This is the trick of the year. Every year, incredible tricks come out, and we really want to know how you, the Penguin fans, think of all the tricks. Now for this one, we take into account which of the tricks in the nominees got the most overall votes, but we also ask you in the voting what your favorite trick of the year was. And this year, there was an overwhelming response. So many reviews, emails, online comments, votes, and huge buzz. I'm proud to announce that the 2026 trick of the year is Materializer Wallet by William O'Connell.
This is incredible. Wow, I'm, a lot of people I think know this is my first time releasing a physical product, and it's been such a journey, and there's so many people that helped me along the way. Jason Saran and Andrew Niner both gave me some tips and thoughts very early on, and everyone that helped me with just making the early prototypes, and of course everyone at the Penguin team who worked so hard for so long, just tweaking little details, trying to get everything exactly right. And I really appreciate you all sticking with it. I'm really proud of what we put together. But yeah, very much not a one-man show. There's a lot of people that I couldn't have done this without. So thank you all so much.
Congratulations to William for this big win. He created something truly special that resonated with magicians around the world, and it was honestly one of my favorite products to work with this year. That's it. We come to the end of yet another season. Congratulations to all the winners and the nominees. I'm looking forward to another year of incredible magic. Thanks so much to everyone for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.